Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm so glad you found us. In today's fun and easy crochet tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful handmade rose hair tie. It's perfect for gifting to your friends and family, or just as a treat for yourself. You can customize it with any colors you love, and I'll walk you through every step of the process. I'm super excited to share this project with you, and I really hope you enjoy making it as much as I did. Throughout the tutorial, feel free to experiment with different yarn colors, elastic bands, and even sizes. You have total creative control. The best part is that you can adjust the size of the hair tie to your liking, so it's totally customizable. For the yarn, I'm using Himalaya Himagurumi cotton today, but any similar yarn will work. 1 elastic hair tie, a 2.75mm crochet hook. Before we dive in, I would love your support. If you enjoy this video and want to see more fun and creative projects like this one, please subscribe to my channel. Your likes and comments not only motivate me but also help me create content that you love. Alright, let's get started. Grab your yarn, your hook, and let's make this gorgeous rose hair tie together. First, we'll start by creating the beautiful rose that will be the centerpiece of our hair tie. Pick any color you like for the rose. This is your moment to get creative. Leave a little yarn tail, then chain 25 stitches. Keep it nice and loose. Don't make it too tight. Once you have your 25 chains, double crochet into the third chain from the hook. Now, chain 3. Into the same stitch, we'll make 2 double crochets. But here's a fun tip. First, work 2 half double crochets, and then pull through all the loops on your hook for a lovely textured stitch. Next, skip 2 stitches, and in the third stitch, work 2 double crochets. Then, make 3 chains, and into the same stitch, make 2 double crochet. Skip 2 more stitches, then repeat the V-stitch in the next stitch. We'll keep going with this pattern, creating a total of 8 V-stitches across the row. Once you reach the end of the row, skip 2 stitches and make a V-stitch into the top of the last chain. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect 8 V-stitches. Chain 1, then turn your work around to start the next row. In the V space, make single crochet. Make 6 double crochets into the same space. Next, in the space between 2 V-stitches, make single crochet. In the next V-space, make 6 more double crochets, just like we did before. Once again, make single crochet into the space between the V-stitches. Into the next V-stitch, make 6 double crochet, and continue to repeat these steps until the end of the row. When you get to the end of the row, make 6 double crochet into the last V-space. Make single crochet into the top of the last chain to complete the row. Chain 1 and cut your yarn. We'll weave in the loose ends in just a moment. Weave the yarn tail through the stitches on the back side of the work to hide it. With the starting tail on the right side and the front of the piece facing you, thread the tail onto a needle. Roll the crocheted piece into a rose shape, making it as tight or loose as you prefer. Once you finish this step, secure it by stitching the layers together on the back side. After securing the rose, the next thing we need to do is stitch on the hair tie. Great! We have finished sewing the hair tie. Now that the rose is ready, let's move on to the leaves. For the rose's leaf, start by making a slip knot and then chain 6. Slip stitch into the first chain to form a small ring. Chain 1 and then make a puff stitch by pulling up 3 loops from inside the ring. Chain 1, then make another puff stitch with 3 loops into the same ring. Chain 1. We'll make a total of 10 puff stitches in this ring, with a chain 1 between each. This creates the body of our leaf. After making the 10 puff stitches, chain 1 and slip stitch into the top of the first puff stitch to complete the round. Chain 1. Now, make 2 single crochets into the space between the first 2 puff stitches. Make 2 single crochets into the space between the next 2 puff stitches. Continue making 2 single crochets into each space between the puff stitches until you reach the end of the round. Keep going, making 2 single crochets in each space all the way around. When you get to the end of the row, slip stitch into the top of the first chain we made to complete the round. Chain 4. Starting from the slip stitch, count 1, 2, 3, skip 3 stitches, and make a single crochet. Chain 4 again. Skip 3 spaces, and make another single crochet. Continue this pattern around the leaf. You should create 5 spaces made of 4 chains. So first space, second space, third space, and fourth space. For the 5th space, skip 3 spaces and make a single crochet into the last space. Slip stitch to the top of the first chain you made to complete this round. Chain 1 and turn your work. Into the first chain space, make a single crochet, 6 double crochet, and a single crochet. Repeat this for each chain space across the row. 1 single crochet, 6 double crochets, and another single crochet. In the last space, make a single crochet, and then slip stitch into the first chain 1 space you made. Chain 1, then cut your yarn. This part, facing us, will be on the inside of the hair tie, so you can hide the yarn tails within the stitches. Now, turn the leaf inside out. Insert your hook through the center ring where we started the leaf and pull the elastic band through. Adjust the leaf and rose until you're happy with how they look together. And there you have it. Your beautiful rose hair tie is complete. Look how pretty and elegant it turned out. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial and found it easy to follow along. If you loved this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe. I've got tons more easy crochet projects coming your way, and I'd love for you to join our crochet community. Make sure to like this video and share it with your friends. You know, sharing is caring. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Keep crocheting and stay awesome.